To make a clean layout, lubricate the corners of the bricks at the junction with concrete, like this. Here's how easy it is to combine two steel beams. And there's another way we make notes. Put marks, cut out two triangular recesses, insert one beam into another, and just bend the edges. And to combine two wooden bars, we cut out a small plate from a steel sheet and nail it on one side and on the other, like this. Just look at what a reliable mount. All this time you've been using the insulation tape incorrectly. It needs to be divided into two strips and rolled out of them such thin ropes that we lay along the thread. Only after that we wrap the tape. Such isolation will be much more reliable. To fasten two wooden boards at the right angles, the usual method of hammering nails will not work. It's better to drive them at this angle, and then bend the protruding edges so much better. To reunite the edges of the torn steel cable, two ordinary nuts will do, which will unravel with a hammer. It holds very tightly. Remove the old soldering iron rod. Take the nut, washer and screw them on the bolt. Insert it into the soldering iron, turn it on, and get a device for sealing packages. You can fasten a plastic hose with a duct tape. For this, we need a piece of plastic bottle. Take it and place it on the hose. Heat it up and the fastening is completed. The remote control stopped working, but it's not clear which battery has a problem. Take them out, then disassemble the lighter and take out the device to create a spark. It beats with an electric current carefully. With it, you can check whether there is a voltage in your battery and change only the empty one. Now the remote is working again. To connect the plastic and steel hoses, take a piece of steel pipe, heat it and insert the plastic hose inside. Transfer the thread to it. Now they can simply be screwed into each other. Simple and reliable. We make notes on the plastic pipe, cut it into pieces on the machine. Turn the machine for a curved angle and continue working. The tubes are ready. Now we take a wooden bar and attach them to it with screws. We'll identify the extra parts and get rid of them with the help of a grinder. We trim the edges a little with a stationary knife, and we can release our pipes. Now we attach them to the wall and use them as a very convenient way to store garden tools. We'll get the handle from the shovel. I will draw the shovel itself. Now let's fix it and start cutting off all the excess until only these two parts remain. We'll bend the resulting petals a little. And now we'll make a suitable notch in the second part. Making a smooth, semicircular notch in the metal is not such an easy job. But we managed. We continue to bend the petals at the right angle, and finally we can fasten both parts of the former shovel. We'll make holes and connect them with steel dowels. Here's such a tool we have turned out ideal for getting rid of weeds. Let's take a stationary clip and bend its handles at this angle. Now we wind an elastic band around them so that it pulls them together. And we got a very convenient mount for your car phone. To attach a steel ring to a wooden bar, we'll use steel brackets of different sizes. They hold very securely, and now you can stretch a rope into the ring. Is the lawn mower broken? It doesn't matter. We'll fix it with a plastic harness. But first we need to add strength to it. And we'll do it by soaking in boiling water. Look how durable it got. What's left is only to put it inside. And leave the two ends free and stretch them out. We fix the structure and the mower can be used again. It's not easy to make a hole in the glass with an ordinary drill. Therefore, we disassemble the glass cutter and take out these sharp rings from it. Throughout one of them, we stretch the wire and bend it. Now we insert it into the screwdriver and make a throughout hole in the glass without any problems. The old pliers can still serve you. We cut off the handles and then sand the teeth themselves a little. Now, on the other hand, it's done. It remains only to solder the handles back. But on the other side, here's a new tool, great for cracking nuts. Let's take a stationary clip and make a slot in it, like this. Attach it to the ruler. It can move freely on it, and put a pencil inside. That'll be convenient for you to transfer the surface relief to the material, even if it's in hard-to-reach places.